Welcome to our expert guide on finding the best garage door repair services in Toronto. A well-maintained garage door is crucial for the security and functionality of your home. In this video, we'll share valuable tips to help you choose the right service provider. Begin your search by asking for recommendations from friends, family, or neighbors who have recently had their garage doors repaired. Word-of-mouth referrals can be incredibly valuable in finding trustworthy service providers. Check out review platforms and websites to read customer reviews and ratings of garage door repair companies in Toronto. Pay attention to both positive and negative feedback to get a well-rounded perspective. When narrowing down your options, consider the credentials and experience of the repair companies. Look for certifications and licenses, as well as the number of years they've been in business. Seasoned professionals often provide top-notch service. Before making a final decision, contact a few potential repair companies and request detailed quotes. Compare their pricing, services offered, and warranty options. Don't hesitate to ask questions to clarify any doubts. In conclusion, finding the best garage door repair service in Toronto requires careful research and consideration. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you'll be well prepared to make an informed choice. For more in-depth reviews and recommendations, visit our article on the Best in Hood website. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thank you for watching.